Welcome to Vibe Coding for Beginners. Today, we're going to explore how you can build apps fast with Google AI Studio. Vibe coding is a new way to build applications. You use Google AI Studio and your words to bring your app ideas to life. Vibe coding is the process of turning plain words into live web apps. This approach requires zero coding experience, uses a no-code method, and allows for rapid prototype building. Google AI Studio is the engine that powers your ideas. It's designed to build simple, generative AI apps quickly and efficiently. Building an app with vibe coding is a three-phase process. First, you describe your idea. Second, you refine the details. And finally, you deploy your app to the world. In phase 1, you describe your app using a simple prompt. AI Studio immediately generates the files and provides a live preview. For example, you can prompt to create a startup name generator. Phase 2 is where you refine the app's vibe through a simple chat interface. You can submit follow-up prompts to tweak functionality and visual design without writing any manual code. In Phase 3, you deploy your app directly to Cloud Run with zero friction. Cloud Run provides scalable backend infrastructure, allowing your app to handle massive web traffic easily. Vibe coding removes traditional coding barriers. Instead of learning complex syntax or managing servers, you use plain English. And AI handles file generation and instant deployment to Cloud Run. Your ideas deserve to exist. Open Google AI Studio today and type your first prompt to start building your app instantly.